everyone! I am very excited for event 3. My favorite event is event 3. Do you know why? Because I love to eat and cook food. There is a saying of Julia style, the people who love to eat are the best people. I also feel the same. My favorite food is sandwich and my favorite drink is lemonade. So let's start to make. My ingredients for sandwiches are bread, onion, cabbage, carrot, cheese, tomato, mayonnaise, tuna chunk. First of all, we have to put 3 spoons of mayonnaise. One, two, three. Now we have to put 1 spoon of onion. One spoon of cabbage, 1 spoon of carrot, 1 spoon of cheese, 1 spoon of tomato, 3 pieces of tuna, now we have to mix it well. I will take 2 pieces of bread, 1 spoon of mixture of vegetables, spread it with knife. Again put some layers. Spread with knife. I am again going to put another bread on it. For decoration, I am using cabbage, onion rings, and last decoration is carrot. Here is my sandwich. For lemonade, I am going to put mixture of lemon and mint. Now Sprite. Now add 2 pieces of ice cubes. Now I am going to put 5-6 leaves for decoration. Now at last I am going to put lemonade. I am going to put straw. My lemonade is done. My sandwich and lemonade are ready. I am going to take 1 sip of lemonade. So chill. Now I am going to take 1 bite of sandwich. Yummy. Thank you.